Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Hello friends, how are you doing today? I hope you're having an absolutely horrible day. I wanted to throw some cheese at you, possibly some hot butter, and a bag of scallions. But enough of that. Today our variety comes from Umai Crate. You can go get one of those over at japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. We've got one from Kumamoto Prefecture in Japan. This is an Itsuki Udon. This is their Sesame Wakame, or Wakame Sesame, Wakame ever you prefer. And yeah, I'm kind of confused with this one though, because they're showing you steep the noodles and then you drain them. I don't know why, but I don't get it. I just don't get it. It makes no sense. There's no point in this extra draining. Unless these noodles are just like ultra starchy, but it's a pouch of udon, so I don't know what's going on today. Pouch of udon, seasoning. I'm gonna make it in the bowl because I have to, not because I want to. Why do you have to make it in the bowl, Mr. Ramen Raider guy? Well, that's because the bowl doesn't say how many milliliters you need of water. And that being the case, that just doesn't work out so well. So, and the other problem, okay, so now it's steeping, right? This one you're supposed to steep for a minute. But I have to make more boiling water. It takes a while to cook boiling water. I'm not even going to set up a timer because there's just really no point. Well, why not? Setting up a timer now. 1 minute. But it's just kind of... I don't understand this bowl of noodles at all. I just don't get it. I don't get it. I also don't understand. So I was going to the store and I was getting those little mandarin oranges and enjoying those with Mountain Dew. Dude, they're gone. They're gone. I don't want the big oranges. I want the little oranges. But they're gone. I cannot find them anywhere. However, all around me, not in Kenmore, but in the cities adjacent to Kenmore, there has been rioting, looting, craziness. Yeah, that stuff's not boiling yet. Hopefully soon. But yeah, there be business happening in the crazy vein all over. It's not even... I don't know. When I do the Umai Crate unboxing videos, I'm very clear. You should not lose the information pamphlet or stuff like this may happen. The water's a little glooby. to call it? Glooby today? Well, I will drain it now. I just wish I told you how much water you needed, because that would, like, defeat the whole purpose of needing to use the bowl, and I would already have, like, scans done of this thing. There we are. Water is coming to a boil. I'll put the seasoning sachet contents on. In the bowl. That's a lot of seasoning. I guess this is what you're supposed to do. I could be doing this totally wrong. If I am, I apologize to both you and to Itsuki. Sorry about that. Alright. Boil. Boil. So I've come to the realization that the school year is quickly coming to an end, even though it's just been kind of like pretend school. And so it's going to be not too long, and then it'll be pretend summer. Okay, I'm going with that. And I'm going to go with that the amount of liquid actually for this product, probably 400 milliliters. Maybe. I don't know. Wow. So this is Sesame Wakame Udon. There's your broth. Check it out. It's like a sesame bog. Looking for the Wakame. Not seeing it so much though. Oh yeah. There you go. The little sea bits of the sea. And we're gonna put this in the pot. That makes my life easier. Hopefully. It appears to. So wakame it's a sea vegetable. It's usually almost, and this isn't at least, but kind of like, when I've had it, it's been crisp. Kind of like celery, almost. Kind of weird stuff. Alright, so let's try it before we start dressing her up. Alright, let's give this a go. That is a lot of sesame seed action, guys. I don't know. Now look at that. That's for those who are not fans of sesame seed. That's a nice sesame scent. Cheers. I don't know. That doesn't really float my boat. Yeah, I'll try the udon, even though I have, in my days, I've found that the udon of this style. Was it alimentary paste noodle? Just tends to be this like meh. It's neat looking. It's something different. Okay. So in this, got a couple things to add in. First things first. This also came out of a new my crate. You know, on second taste, I'm kind of called flour foo. Put a couple foo in there. Foo. Foo. And they're kind of bready. They just suck up the broth and kind of expand a bit. And then I've got some tempura lovin'. A little tempura lovin'. So there's a little bit of tempura lovin' for you. And this is the one that has the squid in with it. It's my favorite. I like it both ways, but I like it with a little bit of squid going on, you know what I mean? Sure you do, sure. And now we're gonna put a little fish cake in the mix for you. This is a good fish cake too. This color of pink, you can get fish cake that's like bright red, like neon. Nah, the good stuff is this shade of pink. Just a tip from me to you. There's also I've seen it in blue and in white. Those I have not sampled. Just the different shades of pink. There was one, I think it was actually Wei Xuan. Maybe. But it was, it had cherries. Pictures of cherries down the cane. It was kind of cool. There's some spring onion. And honestly, I think deserves a little extra lovin'. If I can find the lovin'. Where's the lovin'? I can't find the lovin'. Where's the lovin'? There's the lovin'. All right. Some of my favorite lovin', right? Yeah. A little bit of pickled ginger. It's actually a lot. I don't care because I really like pickled ginger. And I think we are good. Although I've got so much of this crap, I better use some. So here is some. God, you can't even see the noodles anymore. Uh-oh. Kazami nori. They've got some other seaweed stuff that's like more expensive and thinner. What was I gonna throw in here? Oh yeah, I need to get more sight. Here we go. And that's as good as we can get. I'm gonna get this rotato action going quick, because if I don't, everything is just gonna turn to this mushy mush. So let's have some tunes and rotato action real quick. Alright, so there you go. Tomorrow it's gonna be some Indian curry. Some top ramen curry from India. Yeah, baby. Alright, don't forget japancrate.com and the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Also, the Google Play Store. Look for that The Ramen Raider app. Yeah, do it. Do it. Do it later. Oh, I didn't hit the stop button. Are you just gonna go, or yeah? Okay, bye.
Moyo está calor.